Well, let's go.
Laugh now, cry later, ain't no love for a hater. You was running behind some hoes, I was chasing that paper. Keep your distance from them niggas, they ain't really fucking with you. Same niggas who was down for the money, they gon' switch up. Laugh now, cry later, ain't no love for a hater.
Right on these here brows. Now, I myself personally, I like natural looking brows, so therefore I use a pencil. I normally use that on my clients as well. What I'm going to be using is the Absolute Super Slim Point Fine pencil. And it looks like that. You can get it at your local beauty supply store, and it is only like $5.99. $5.99. Okay, okay, y'all, so I'm going to slow it down a bit. What I'm doing is, with my pencil, I'm going to very slowly, section by section, go ahead and outline the very bottom of my brows and follow exactly where my hairs are going. I'm going to do the same thing at the top, create that arch, go all the way down to the very tip. You see I'm squinching because I can't see. And you're going to lightly fill that in, go the same direction that your hairs are going, okay? And you want to use a very, very light hand. We're doing hair-like strokes, and this pencil is very easy to use, okay? Once you get to the front, you want to use a even softer strokes, okay? And you're going to turn that pencil upwards so that you can go ahead and follow your brow hairs or make you some brow hairs like me, okay? Back to the video. Give that natural effect. And if you notice, I stopped my line right about here. All of this are just upward strokes. Some people like to go in like this. I'm good with up and down, sis. Okay, and I'm going to lightly fill that in. And I do that by going up, sideways, and diagonal. And there's one brow. Go ahead and do that one. Okay, and once again, we're going to do the same thing, section by section, outline that brow. And this pencil makes it very easy to do so. That's why I like using those fine tip pencils, because they are very easy to mimic brow hairs. And it has the brush extension too, so that is definitely a plus. And it's okay if one of your brows turn out better than the other. They say they're supposed to be sisters, cousins, whatever. I don't care. As long as they're in the same family. They sisters. They ain't supposed to be cousins. And they don't even have to have the same mom and daddy. As long as they stay in the same house, they good with me. That's good for me. Now that we got that out the way, I'm gonna take just this super slim brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my brows. So with that flat concealer brush, we're going to slowly, section by section, start carving out that brow and let it come on out, honey. Okay? Of course, with the concealer, you're able to clean up any mistakes that you may have made while filling it in. And I'm doing it section by section so that I could focus mainly on one part of the brow at a time, so that I'm not getting overwhelmed, okay? Because if I get overwhelmed, baby, it's the end, okay? So I'm only using a small amount of product, because the more amount of product you use, that's the longest it's going to take for you to blend it out. Ain't nobody got time for that. And I'm using about 1.5 shades lighter in my skin tone so that it could be natural. And I'm going to tell you another reason why to do so right about now. I don't like to use 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone to conceal under my brow. I feel like 1.5 is good enough, because the purpose of concealing your eyebrows is to have that, like, you just got your eyebrows arched type of look, like natural. It's not to be like super white. I don't like that. I don't like that, especially when you start to go ahead and blending in your eyeshadows and stuff. it'll just look like you put that, like we back to the 99 and the 2000. They was putting that the white eyeliner on the eyelid and under here. Look, honey. We're not gonna do that, sweetie. No, sweetie. No, sweetie. No, sweetie. I ain't gonna do. So now that I have my brows concealed on the bottom, and I only use concealer on the bottom. On the top, I like to use my foundation shade. I used to use concealer that's close to my skin tone. I don't do it because I don't really see the point in concealing on top of your brows a shade lighter and then hurry up and trying to put your foundation shade on top, not to have the halo effect. If you don't want to have the halo effect, why don't you just put your foundation shade on top to begin with, sis, and stop trying to make all these extra steps. You could have been done about 3 minutes ago. However, because you did that, now you got 3 more minutes to do. You could have been out the door. But you playing. I don't know if I mentioned it. I'm using a thick dome brush to go ahead buff out that concealer. To buff it out. And whatever I don't get with a thick dome brush, I'm going to go back in with my thin brush and pat it in. I like it to be like just natural, as seamless as possible. Seamless as we can get it, baby. Okay. Whatever. You understand me. So now we're going to finish off by cleaning up the top eyebrows with foundation. I'm going to use my flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to pick up the product that's on the top, and I'm just going to go ahead and conceal the top part of my brows and really bring it together. And what I like to do is, especially on the top, I just like to use the edge, like the side edge of that brush, and just bring it on down. Okay, and then I flip it sideways, take the extra product, blend it up. So I'm gonna just put that there, blend it out with that foundation brush. Okay, and I also like to take the front part and blend it out. I don't like square type of brown. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the this is my bad eye. Like, you know when you blind and you got one eye that's worse than the other. Like, this is really my bad eye. So I really have to get close. So I'll take that, and I'm just really trying to be precise as possible. I don't like my tail too long. And like I said, I'm gonna take that extra part up, push it up, and the things that I didn't get on the side part, and gather that and blend it out in the front part of my brow, because I just want to see the hair strokes on the top part of my brow. I mean on the front part of my brow. And we're gonna blend those sides. Yes, sis, yes. Alright, y'all, so that is the ending of this eyebrow tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. That way I know it's real, okay? And while you're at it, go ahead and check out my last 2 videos, because you ain't got nothing to do, and it's the bomb. Alright, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you when I see you.